roll. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today I am at the usual spot. The other day me and my buddy came out and he actually caught his PB, which you will have seen by now. It was a really good fish and I'm starting to think that maybe this spot does have some big fish. I just have to put in the time here. So I'm gonna see what I can do. Hopefully I can get a better sized fish today, but again, that fish was caught on Old Faithful. So you just really never know what size fish you'll catch on a bait like that, which is a thing I love about it, because you'll catch a lot of different species and a lot of different size fish. But with that being said, let's get after it and see what happens. I don't know if you can see this, but there are a ton of bluegill in this area. It looks like they've been making some beds. There's a ton of them there. Pretty decent sized ones too. All right guys, first fish. We got a bass here. I actually caught this on a SENKO. Unfortunately, he shook that worm off, so I'm gonna have to put a new one on there. But look how skinny it is. Looks like this bass must have just got done spawning not too long ago. But fish number one. There's one. Okay. That one's actually a little bit better for this pond. Thank you. That's a better fish for this pond, actually. Believe it or not. There he is. Let's put him back. There he goes. There he is. I didn't see him at first. All right. Well, it looks like the SENKO is the key to these coming spring sunny days. There he is. There he goes. Just about had another one. There he is. Got the little one. Oops. Oh, he's in the grass. He's in the grass here. Little guy. All right, let's put him back. Another one. It's so cool actually getting to look into the water, see the fish swimming around, cast at it, and actually catch it. That is one of my favorite ways to fish. All right, let's get it back. I'm gonna head down to the big pond at some point where there's obviously bigger fish. Hopefully they'll be biting on the SENKO the same way and I'll be able to get on some big fish. We'll see though. So this is what we got rigged up right now. It's actually half a SENKO on this hook. I'm not really sure what kind of hook this is, but it's not quite as big as like a weedless worm hook. Seems to be doing the trick though. All right. Oh, he took my worm. That's okay. There's number one, at this pond at least. Not too bad. Maybe a little under a pound. Let's get him back. All right. Whew. Another nice one. Let's get him back. This one, I had to cut the hook off just so he doesn't get injured too much. So let's get him back. All right. He swam off good. All right, so now I got a SENKO, a full SENKO on an O-ring there, so that way hopefully I save a few worms. All right, I wasn't filming, but I just caught another one. This one is the best one of the day. It could probably be about maybe a little over a pound, pound and a half or so. But not a bad fish at all. Let's let it go. All right, there he goes. Very small bass. All right, let's get him back. Huh, baby crappie. Huh. Little baby crappie there. Huh. Smallest crappie I've ever seen. All right, another fish on the old SENKO. Again, I missed the actual catch on video, of course, but I don't know if you saw in one of the clips, but I set the hook on a fish and actually broke off, so I had to go tie on, and then this is the new SENKO here. So we still got a fish, probably maybe a little under a pound, but still a fish. He's going. There's a fish. All in Old Faithful. It's getting later, but we still got one. Let's get him back. There he goes. All right. Decent fish here. Not bad at all. Yeah, the fish down here at this pond are much better size-wise than that upper pond over there. That's why I like to come down here when I can. A little bit of a walk, but it's worth it. Well, it's getting dark out here. I have been catching fish pretty consistently all evening. It's been a really good evening of fishing. But even when it gets dark, guys, remember, there's always time for one more cast.